Hello Brisbane Baysiders, we are back with another digital tutorial for you. This time, following on from email etiquette, we'll be looking at how to attach a file to an email. So many of you are coming to a stage where you need to be submitting assessments and different tasks through to your teacher. And your teacher may have requested that you are submitting this via email. Today we're going to be having a look at how to attach that file to your email. So I've set up my email, I've got my recipient, I've given the subject so it's very clear what it is that I'm sending through to my teacher, and then I followed my email etiquette by adding a greeting. I've added a brief explanation of why it is I'm emailing, and I have signed off my email. So both of the versions of Outlook, so either the desktop app or the online version, attaching a file is done by finding the paperclip icon and it will say attach. So once you click that, it will come up with some recent items or some suggestions of recent documents that you may wish to attach to your email. If your document you are wanting to send is not in the recent items, both the online version and the desktop app have the option to browse this PC or browse this computer if you're on a different platform. So as you can see here, it's popped up and it's got my entire computer here, so I could go in if I needed to email some Year 11 work out, I could go into there. But otherwise, I'd click into my documents and I will scroll down and find my week 2 quiz answers. And then I will click insert. And that's popped up for me here, ready to be sent. So if you've accidentally attached the wrong file, that's all right, no need to stress. Click the arrow, remove attachment, done. And then it's just as easy to drop down that box, create a new attachment, and you're ready to send it. And that's all there is to it.